welcome to another edition of Eric's Product Reviews. I am Eric, and today we're going to be doing a quick unboxing and then a demo of the Syncwire USB-C to 3.5mm male audio cable. It allows you to use that USB-C port on your phone or tablet to get sound out of it to an auxiliary jack. And this is 3 feet long, 3.3 feet. Some of the features that you get with this, besides obviously the USB-C to 3.5, it is high fidelity stereo provided by a DAC chip to avoid noise interference and signal loss. It's aluminum alloy and nylon braided design to ensure longer lifespan, and it's portable and flexible. You don't have to worry about knots or kinks. So let's open it up. And in spite of how simple of a product it is, they still include a user manual just in case you need a user guide. And here is the star of the show. Again, 3.3 feet long, so pretty good length. And it's got that nylon braided cable. As you can see, you've got your Type C on this end, and then on this end you've got your male auxiliary. So you plug this into your phone or your tablet, and then this can be plugged into a stereo or anything that has an auxiliary jack, a Bluetooth speaker, well, obviously not Bluetooth, but a speaker that has an auxiliary jack, and you can get sound out of your phone through that. So great stereo sound with that DAC chip, and then you can see it's this great nylon braided material, so it's very flexible, but very strong, very sturdy, not going to kink on you. So high quality cable, and let's go check it out and see how well it works. So what's great about the Syncwire Type C to male auxiliary cord is that you can use this to get sound from your phone or whatever Type C output device to a headset or speakers. So like you can plug it in to the auxiliary jack on your headset in order to listen to music or watch movies or whatever that way, and it would work great. But since you can't hear that, I also have this speaker. You might want to use it to plug it into a speaker or into your car stereo system. So I'm going to plug it into the speaker, but you could also plug it into a car stereo system or anything with an auxiliary jack. And now you're going to get the music out of it. So you can see, pretty simple. Just allows you to use an auxiliary jack with your Type C phone by plugging this in. Now I can plug that into any auxiliary jack and play sound through for music or movies or whatever from my phone. So excellent product by Syncwire, works really great, does exactly what you would expect it to do. A nice length of cord to get it to where you want. And great quality, sounds great, works great. Definitely a product I would recommend if you've got a Type C device that uses the Type C port for sound output. This is definitely an awesome product to have.